So hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you guys how to make a restart command for your Discord bot. So let's get started. So okay. Client. Run an arrow function here. So now you're gonna want to add an if statement. So you're gonna put if message.user id does not equal to, so if the username does not equal to this ID right here, so I'm gonna just get my ID, then we're gonna return message.channel.send. Couldn't, let's see, what can we say? Couldn't, you cannot use this command. Alright, so now this is where we start. So we're gonna add a wait message.channel.send restarting bot dot. Then we're gonna run process.exit. So this is the line that you need to restart the bot. So let's just start my bot. So let's just say npm run start. Okay, that loads the bot. So then let's do m restart. And as you can see, what issue did I get? Message.username.id. 1 second. After debugging, I was wondering why it's author. It should be author. It should be author. I don't know why I made that dumb error. So if the author does not equal my ID, then we're gonna run restart. So look, so the bot is started. Let's do m. Oh no, I gotta restart the bot. I'm not using node now because I want to show you guys this. So let's do m restart. So look, it's restarting bot. Nice. But the bot doesn't turn back on. You might be asking why. So you run npm I pm2. So you install pm2, run npm I pm2. Then after installing it, after you do npm I pm2, you're gonna do pm2 start. I'm an index.js. So I'm gonna just do index.js because that's my main file, right? So as you can see, index status online. All right, and this is the restarts 0, CPU 0%, memory 30 megabytes, user, the version, namespace. All right, and then yeah. So make this a little bigger so you can see more. So then now you can see the bot is online. So now let's run the command now. Restarting bot. Now if we do pm2 status, see it has 1 restart. As you can see, 1 restarts. Okay. So and then now let's run a command and let's do ping. See, the ping's pretty high because the bot is restarting. It's gonna get lower. It should get lower. I have a delay on the command. Let's wait like 10 seconds. Then now let's try. Yeah. Okay. Well, it's still the same, but I mean that's not that bad. And it is kind of bad, but it's fine. Yeah. So let's do it again and restart, and then ping. Oh, nah, the ping got shorter. So yeah, that's basically the command. Yeah, I hope you guys have a good one. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, and if you want to just stop the process, so if you want to stop the bot, you just do npm stop index.js. I believe that's the command. And yep, then you can see, so it's always going to say this mode, and then the status stopped. This restart to uptime 0 because this gives you how long it was up, 6 seconds. So yeah, that's basically it. That's how you use pm2. Hope you guys have a good one, and yeah.